Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Aigostar AIRWIN Black and White 32IEK. It is a fan heater with 2000 watt power in black or white. I choose the black version. Adjustable temperature and power. Yeah, Aigostar design. Adjustable heating power up to 2000 watts. Possibility to the regulations of flow rate of hot air. Perfect for heating small rooms or bathrooms. Automatic shutdown system for strains. And the safety is stored thanks to the brand Aigostar. You can use this at the summertime to have a van, and at the wintertime to have a van heater. You have two knobs, one to adjust the hot or the power of hotness, and the other to get it to under 20 watt. That's the first option. The second option is 1200 watt, and the third option is 2000 watt power. And this is enough. Fast heating. Heat up to rapidly in 0 seconds. Heating temperature range 5 until 85 degrees Celsius. This is awesome. It is fast, but it is powered by electronic components. That means you have to look for the electronic power system. It is expensive in some countries. Tip over protection. That means if you will dip this van heater while it's on, it will shut off automatically after 30 degrees angle. Then it's getting off. And it has an overheat protection. That means if it's too hot, it will shut off immediately. You have a grip to handle it easy. You can use it in living rooms, office, bedrooms, and for study. The dimensions are 210 millimeters to 239 millimeters and to 110 millimeters. This is for approximately like an iPad size. That means it's not so large, but it is easy to use. It is a hot air heating element, 2000 watts in black, adjustable temperature and performance. Designed by materials safely and with the best quality. The watt power is from 220 up to 240 voltage. That means you can use it all over Europe. The frequency is 50 Hz. The power is up to 2000 watt. And it is 100% brand new and high quality plastic and resistors. Size of the cable is 1.53 meters and an output of 2200 watts for heating bathrooms or small rooms in minutes. Both the intensity of the hot air able to control the temperature. This is a new range of heaters built with high quality materials, have certificates of the finest quality and safety. It has a unique system of protection for cases of electrical problems or overheating. Designing quality ensured by a trend lead brand of trust. Then Aigostar. I like it really much. We are going to use this device after shower. If it is, I think, fall or spring, that means you do not have to switch on your power supply all over your house. That means if you only like to aim only one room with heat, this is the right solution for it. Or in the summertime, it is a good ventilation system. Oh yeah, both things are awesome. And it's not so expensive. That means this is my choice. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.